I've watched the world of cars transform before my eyes, evolving from the days of noisy gas-guzzling machines that filled the air with fumes, to something entirely new and unexpected. Back then, the idea of a car was inseparable from the rumble of an engine and the smell of gasoline. For decades, electric cars were little more than a punchline, awkward, slow, and with batteries that barely lasted a trip across town. They were seen as quirky experiments, not real contenders for the future of driving. Then, seemingly out of nowhere, Tesla arrived and flipped the script on the entire industry. They didn't just make an electric car, they made a statement. Tesla's approach was radical. They reimagined what a car could be from the ground up, blending cutting-edge technology with bold design and relentless innovation. It wasn't about compromise, it was about setting a new standard. Suddenly, electric cars weren't just practical. They were fast, smart, and genuinely desirable. Tesla made driving electric something people aspired to, not settled for. The original Roadster shattered expectations, proving that EVs could be thrilling, with acceleration that left sports cars in the dust, and a range that made long drives possible. The Model S took things even further, bringing luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech to the mainstream. Suddenly, electric cars weren't just for early adopters. They were for anyone who wanted the best. People started lining up for Teslas, not just to save on gas, but because they were the most exciting cars on the road. Owning a Tesla became a status symbol, a sign you were part of the future. With supercar performance and a massive, futuristic touchscreen, Tesla made every other dashboard look ancient. The car became more than just a machine, it became a smart device on wheels. The auto industry, once comfortable and slow to change, suddenly found itself scrambling to keep up. Tesla forced everyone to rethink what was possible and what customers actually wanted. Tesla showed the world you don't need a roaring engine for speed or excitement. The silent rush of electric power was a revelation, changing what people expected from a car, and with over-the-air software updates, Teslas kept getting better long after you drove them off the lot. Just like your phone. Suddenly, cars could evolve and improve, unlocking new features overnight. Tesla wasn't just building cars, they were building the future, with factories full of robots and a vision that stretched far beyond the next model year. The old guard had to wake up and catch up, racing to develop their own electric cars and rethink decades of tradition. Tesla made electric cars cool, turning them into objects of desire for a new generation. And that, more than anything, changed everything about the way we think about cars. What sets Tesla apart from the rest of the automotive world? Is it just the electric power, or is there something deeper at play? It all starts with the battery, the heart of every Tesla. Unlike traditional cars, where the engine is the centerpiece, Tesla's innovation begins beneath your feet. The battery pack is ingeniously integrated into the car's floor. This design lowers the center of gravity, which means Teslas handle corners with the agility of a sports car, hugging the road for a safer, more exhilarating drive. Tesla's battery technology is at the cutting edge, engineered for safety, reliability, and maximum energy density. Each cell is meticulously designed to deliver long-range and consistent performance, trip after trip. Thousands of individual cells are monitored and managed by an advanced battery management system. This ensures peak performance, whether you're driving through scorching heat or freezing cold, and helps extend the life of the battery. That's why Teslas are known for their impressive range and longevity. You can drive farther on a single charge, and your car is built to last for years, often outlasting many gas-powered vehicles. But the battery is just the beginning. Next comes the motor, or in some models, two motors working in perfect harmony. Instead of a bulky, noisy engine, Teslas use compact electric motors mounted at the wheels. These motors deliver instant torque, providing smooth, efficient power the moment you press the accelerator. Some Tesla models feature dual motors, one at the front and one at the rear. This all-wheel drive setup not only boosts performance, but also improves traction and control in all weather conditions. There's no need for complicated transmissions or drive shafts. Power flows directly and silently to the wheels, resulting in rapid, seamless acceleration that feels almost effortless. With far fewer moving parts than a traditional car, Teslas require less maintenance. That means fewer trips to the shop and more time enjoying the drive. Inside, you'll notice the difference immediately. There's no engine noise, no vibration, just pure, quiet speed and a sense of calm that makes every journey more enjoyable. Once you experience driving electric, with its instant response and serene ride, it's hard to imagine going back to a conventional car. Tesla's minimalist design philosophy extends to the interior. The clean dashboard and intuitive touchscreen put everything you need at your fingertips, making the driving experience refreshingly simple. It's a more elegant, efficient, and enjoyable way to move, combining cutting-edge technology with timeless style. This innovative foundation is what allows Tesla to keep pushing boundaries, setting new standards, and shaping the future of transportation. Range anxiety used to be the biggest hurdle for electric cars. Early EVs barely made it 100 miles, fine for errands, but not road trips. Tesla changed that with batteries that go 300, even 400 plus miles on a charge. Suddenly, you could drive from LA to Vegas and back, without worry. Charging overnight at home is easy, and weekend adventures are no problem. Tesla's navigation system plans your route, calculates energy use, and schedules supercharger stops automatically. No more guesswork. Just seamless, confident travel. Long-distance EV driving is now practical and stress-free. Tesla made electric cars true go-anywhere machines. Let's talk speed. Teslas deliver instant acceleration. No revving, no waiting. Press the pedal and you're gone, thanks to electric motors delivering full torque from zero. The Model S Plaid hits 0-60 in under 2 seconds, faster than almost any car ever made, and it does it in silence. This isn't just for bragging rights, it makes merging and passing effortless and safe. No gear shifts, no lag, just immediate response. Everyday driving becomes fun and stress-free. And all this performance comes with zero emissions. You get a practical family car that can outrun supercars. Tesla proved you don't have to sacrifice excitement for sustainability. It's the ultimate sleeper, quiet, clean, and shockingly quick. That's the electric punch. Tesla's autopilot isn't full self-driving, but it's a huge leap forward in automotive technology. It's designed to make driving easier, safer, and less stressful, especially on long stretches of highway. While it can't replace a human driver, it's a powerful tool that's changing the way we think about getting from point A to point B. Think of it as super smart cruise control for highways, but with a lot more intelligence. Autopilot can handle much more than just maintaining your speed. It can adapt to changing traffic conditions, slow down for cars ahead, and even help you navigate tricky stretches of road. Using a network of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar, the car can see what's happening all around it. This allows it to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically, responding to other vehicles, lane markings, and obstacles in real time. Traffic-aware cruise control is like having an extra set of eyes on the road, matching your speed with the flow of traffic. Meanwhile, autosteer keeps you perfectly centered in your lane, even around gentle curves or in stop-and-go traffic. For long commutes and road trips, autopilot is a game-changer. It helps reduce driver fatigue, making journeys more comfortable and less mentally exhausting. You can relax a bit more, knowing the car is helping with the heavy lifting. But remember, you still need to pay attention at all times and keep your hands on the wheel. Autopilot is there to assist, not to take over completely. Your focus and quick reactions are still essential for safety. Think of autopilot as a co-pilot, an advanced driver assist system, not a replacement for you behind the wheel. It's designed to support your driving, not to let you tune out. One of the most exciting things about Tesla's autopilot is that it keeps getting better. Tesla regularly sends over-the-air software updates, adding new features, and improving performance without you ever needing to visit a service center. Each update makes your car smarter and safer, enhancing its ability to handle complex situations and react to new challenges on the road. Autopilot offers a glimpse into the future of driving, where cars and technology work together to help you drive better, safer, and with more confidence. The technology is evolving at a rapid pace, with new advancements arriving faster than ever before. With every mile driven and every update installed, Autopilot is making roads safer for everyone, 1 mile, 1 journey, and 1 innovation at a time.